Hot. What's hot? Huh?
Someone love me, doing love me, you assuming I'm doing what I gotta do to get it to me. You superhuman and better than a better brother. So thinking anything you say is freaking saying off of me and it'll fly. I'm devastating, hoping never demonstrating how to give a motherfucking audience something the niggas never steady.